How do you add a thermostat to an electric heater so you can have better safety and temperature control? Let's check out Turbo's Smart Temperature Controller. Right now we're in a snowstorm, so I brought my oldest dog Buddy inside so I make sure he stays warm during this snowstorm. I've got an electric fireplace behind me that I bought from Turbo. I'll give you guys a discount if you're interested in this or their temperature controller, but I wanted a way to be able to accurately make sure that this spot right here stays warm for my Buddy, and I want a way for this thing to shut off. Here's the box, here's the installation manual, and here's the controller. You can see this is the screen. We got a place where we can mount it to the wall. We got a socket for controlling a heating and a cooling device. We've got the AC input, and then we've got a sensor, a temp probe. Now let me show you how to install. Take and plug in the AC input. There it is. Plug in your heater to the heating socket. There's a cooling and a heating socket. Now place your sensor closest to the area where you want to heat or cool. I'm going to put it over here where Buddy's bed is. Now how do we set it and use it? See the 3 bars on the left? Click that. It's going to show us target temperature. Right now it says the room sensor is measuring room air of 51.1. If we set the target temperature above that, it's going to allow power to go to that heater. We can also set a buffer range, which is really nice. So I can set it for 3 or 5 or whatever. Now I can go to the timer and set it how many minutes or hours we want it to go on, or how many minutes or hours we want the cycle to be. Go back, it says schedule on. See, it's 57.5. So it would allow that socket to be powered for heating or cooling based off of our settings. There's also an app, so you can actually use your phone to set this thing up and use it. I wanted this so that I could set it for a certain temperature, and when I leave every night to go home, when it hits that temperature, it will shut off power to this heater, because this does use a lot of wattage and I just don't want anything to happen while I'm gone. If you want a really cool fireplace like this or a temperature controller, check out www.turbo.com. Use discount code TADDYDIGEST and you can get 10% off. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay warm.